Children, last class we had seen preposition. That class I gave assignment. Now I am going to say the answer. Let's you check the answer. First one, I will see you on Monday. Second one, my plane leaves at noon. Third one, he likes to read in the afternoon. Fourth one, the flower will bloom in spring. Fifth one, I am going to Paris for 2 weeks. Sixth one, this book was published in 1999. Seventh one, the days are long in August. Eighth one, the movie starts at 6 p.m. Ninth one, I will visit you on Christmas Day. 10th one, we go to the beach in summer. Okay children, this class we are going to learn next grammar analysis. First one, sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete meaning. It can be made up of nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, articles and conjunction. Let's take a look in these words. Story, a read, yesterday, Jack. Light. Does these words make sense? No. Right. Okay. Let's rearrange these words. Jack read a story yesterday. Now you can understand what these words mean to you. From these words you understood the sentence should make a complete meaning. So we called it as sentence. Okay children, therefore you understood what sentence means. Now let's see a topic which is related to sentence. We know how to make sentences. We must also learn to take a sentence into two parts. This is known as analysis. Okay, one more time I will explain. A sentence can be divided into two main parts known as subject and predicate. Let's take an elaborate look about the predicate and subject. Now let us see what is subject. It is the noun about which the sentence speaks. Next one, predicate. This part contains the verb and object or just other words completing the meaning, which often means complement. Okay children, let's see some example. First one, Shiny got the first mark. Here, Shiny is a subject. Got the first mark is a predicate. In this sentence, Shiny is considered as subject, which is actually a noun. The rest of the words are considered to be predicate, which contain got as verb and the first mark as object. As a conclusion, we come to know that the words which come after the subject are considered to be predicate. It is a tip to find predicate. It will be help you during the exam. Let's move on to another example. Many students were late. In this sentence, many students are considered as subject, which is actually a noun, and the rest of the words are considered as predicate, which contain were as verb and late as adjective. Further, we can take a sentence in two parts as subject and predicate, where each word plays a role is called analysis. Okay, understood children? Next example, the children are playing. Here, the children is subject. A sentence in which it talks about someone or something is called as subject. A subject can come anywhere in a sentence. It can come in the place where the object is. Okay, what is the sentence talking about? Okay, the sentence, the answer you got is considered as subject. Now we know that what is subject. Now let's see what is predicate in the sentence. The children are playing. Here, are playing is a predicate. The words which comes after subject is always considered to be predicate. Okay, in this sentence, the words are playing indicates and describes what the children are doing. So, from this, we come to know that the role of predicate is to describe the subject. Okay, children? See my following video so that you can understood even better. Do the assignment regularly. Thank you, children.